Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to start with the new chapter from geography, and this is the chapter number 4, agriculture. Already we have completed chapter number 1, and the chapter number 2 and chapter number 3 is not a part of your syllabus. From last year onwards it has been removed. Okay, so we do not have to study that chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. So we'll start today with the agriculture. So basically in this chapter we are going to talk about different type of farming system in India. Here you can see different type of farming system we are going to talk. Later on we are going to talk about primitive substance farming. Then we are going to talk about intense substance farming. After that there are different cropping patterns which we follow, and Rabi season, Kharif season, Zaid season. Then we will talk about the major crops in India, food crops and non-food crops, and the later on the last part we will talk about the food security in India. Okay, basically the food security, how the government is going to ensure the food security in India. So that we are going to talk about this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. Okay, initially we will talk about we will find it out the meaning of agriculture. What is basically the agriculture? Agriculture is basically comes from a Latin word. Okay, so it is divided into two parts, agri and culture. Okay, here you can see this word is given agriculture. So this agriculture is divided into two parts. First part is agri and second part is culture. So agri means land and culture means cultivation. It basically, if we combine both the terms, agriculture basically belongs to the land cultivation. Okay, in India almost around on an average per person. Okay, uh, on an average per person is getting 5 acre land in India. Okay, so it is or if we talk about 5 acre land is equals to one cricket stadium. Okay, and already we know that at the time of independence around 85% people were depending on agriculture, and now also around 60% people are still dependent on agriculture, although we are growing into different service sector and manufacturing sectors, but still the raw material is coming from the agriculture side, agriculture sector, and still the people are depending on that. And in India the agriculture system is basically dependent upon monsoon. So we can say that agriculture is a kind of a monsoon agriculture in India. Okay, so let's start with the next topic.